Welcome to 3rd BSc Physics students for online classes. In this introductory online class, I am going to discuss about the syllabus of 3rd BSc Semester 5 Physics Paper 5. The title of the paper is Electricity, Magnetism and Electronics. This is for mass combination students. The syllabus mainly consists of 5 units. The first unit has two chapters. One is electric field intensity and potential. The other is dielectrics. In the first chapter, we will discuss about Gauss law, its statement and proof. Electric field intensity due to uniformly charged sphere and infinite conducting sheet of charge. Electric potential, equipotential surfaces. Potential due to a point charge, charged spherical shell and uniformly charged sphere. The second chapter, dielectrics, consists of electric dipole moment, molecular polarizability, electric displacement, electric polarization, and the relation between electric displacement, electric field intensity, and electric polarization. The dielectric constant and susceptibility. Boundary conditions at the dielectric surface. Now coming to second unit. It also consists of two chapters. One is electric and magnetic fields. The other is electromagnetic induction. In this, we will discuss about force on current carrying conductor, Biot-Savart's law, explanation and calculation of magnetic induction due to long straight wire, circular current loop and solenoid, Hall effect, determination of Hall coefficient. In the electromagnetic induction chapter, we will discuss about Faraday's law, Lenz's law, self and mutual inductance, calculation of self-inductance of a long solenoid, mutual inductance of two given coils, energy stored in a magnetic field, transformer, energy losses and efficiency of transformer. Third unit consists of two chapters. One is alternating currents, the other is Maxwell's equations and electromagnetic waves. In alternating currents chapter, we will discuss about alternating currents, relation between current and voltage in LR and CR circuits, vector diagrams, LCR series and parallel resonant circuit, Q factor, power in AC circuits. In Maxwell's equations and electromagnetic waves chapter, we will discuss about basic laws of electricity and magnetism, idea of displacement current, Maxwell's equations, their integral and differential forms, Maxwell's wave equation, Poynting theorem, and production of electromagnetic waves by Hertz experiment. The fourth unit has one chapter, that is basic electronics. In this we will discuss about PN junction diode, Zener diode, tunnel diode, their IV characteristics. Zener diode has a voltage regulator. PNP, NPN transistors, their CB, CE and CC configurations. Relation between alpha, beta and gamma. That means transistor currents. Transistor CE characteristics, hybrid parameters, their explanation, and determination of hybrid parameters with CE configuration characteristics. Now the fifth unit is about digital electronics. In this we will discuss about number systems, conversion of binary to decimal system and vice versa, binary addition, binary subtraction by ones and twos complement methods, De Morgan's theorems, statement and proof, basic logic gates and or NOT gates, NAND and NOR gates as universal gates, exclusive OR gate, half adder and full adder. So these are the syllabus we are going to discuss in this semester. These are the reference books. So students are informed to attend the classes regularly and sincerely and follow all the lectures. In the oncoming online classes, we will discuss about these topics in detail. I will post videos for the topics. You observe them carefully, and if you have any doubts, you may interact with me through your WhatsApp group. Thank you.